Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to mastering correctional administration. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Correctional Administration Review Questions, Set 1A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. It is affected by the use of stocks and pillory, docking stool, branding and shaving off the hair of the offender. A. Corporal punishment. B. Public humiliation. C. Shaming. D. Both B and C. By this justification of punishment it resulted in retaliation and unending vendetta between the offender and the victim. A. Retribution. B. Expiation. C. Protection. D. Deterrence. An offense committed by a member against another member arouses the condemnation of the whole group against the offender. A. Retribution. B. Protection. C. Atonement. D. Deterrence. It believes that punishment gives a lesson to the offender, and that it holds crime commission in check. A. Retribution. B. Atonement. C. Protection. D. Deterrence. He advocated the theory that punishment should prevent others from committing like offenses and should be in the degree of severity enough to deter others. A. Lomraso. B. Bentham. C. Beccaria. D. Ferry. A system of trial and punishment which is reformatory in purpose. A. Canonical courts. B. Primitive justice. C. King's courts. D. Judicial individualization. He made the first attempt to explain crime, wherein he noted in his book Nicomedean Ethics that punishment is a means of restoring balance between pleasure and pain. A. Aristotle. B. Beccaria. C. Lombroso. D. Hentig. It resulted in class discrimination due to wide use of discretion in imposing penalties. A. Canonical courts. B. Primitive justice. C. King's courts. D. Judicial individualization. Its main advantage was it was easy to administer and eliminated arbitrary sentence. A. Classical school. B. Positivist school. C. Neoclassical school. D. Modern clinical school. It admits that minors and certain adults are incapable of committing crimes. A. Classical school. B. Positivist school. C. Neoclassical school. D. Modern clinical school. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.